My name is Vladimir Nonangan. This is our presentation about Canvas business model Canvas for organic egg production in Nara, Palawan. So number one is customer segments households. A family is looking for fresh, chemical-free, and nutritious eggs. And restaurants and cafes, places that require organic ingredients, their dishes. Health-conscious individual. So, people who are concerned about sustainable and health and food choices. So, retailers and local markets are organic product sellers in Nara and especially specialty stores that promote organic and eco-friendly products. So number two is propositions. So organic and fresh eggs, direct supply of eggs free from synthetic chemicals and GMOs. So sustainable as well as human agricultural means, locally sourced products, reduce on imported for non-locally sources organic eggs, and low prices, more affordable compared other premium organic eggs brands. So number three is distribution. Distributions are local markets, sells directly to consumer, home deliveries, convenient delivery of eggs within households and businesses. So online stores sells through Facebook Market and local social media and outlets. So retailer chains supplying the outlet with eggs in the form of partnership with retailers. That's all. Thank you.
Customer relationship, personalized service, building trust through transparent and direct customer interaction, educational campaign, raising awareness about the benefits of organic egg, customer feedback, actively improving based on consumer suggestion, consistent supply, ensuring timely delivery of fresh product, revenue streams, direct per egg or tiray pricing or individual customer, bulk orders, partnership with restaurant, cafes, and store, organic fertilizer by product, selling chicken menu as organic compost, value-added products, features salted eggs, balut, or other processed egg products.
Key resources, land, area where free-range chicken farming takes place. Chicken layers, breeds that give good yield in laying eggs. Feed and supplements, organic chicken feed and vitamins. Labor, experienced workers on feeding, cleaning, and egg collecting. Capital, in terms of setting up the facility, costs of maintenance and marketing activities. Water supply, all the chickens in egg layers require it. Key activities, organic egg production, the operational free-range chicken farming systems, marketing and sales, communicate the benefits of organic eggs through all mediums, customer support, facilitating easy transaction and solving problems, sustainable waste management, converting chicken waste to organic manure. Key partners, feed suppliers, organic chicken feed supplier at competitive price, veterinarians, flock health and disease prevention, local restaurants and cafes, daily or weekly suppliers of organic eggs, government and NGOs, facilitating organic farming programs, cost and structure, chicken procurement, acquiring high-quality egg layers, feed and supplements, cost of organic feeding, labor wage of employees and assistants, infrastructure, housing, fencing, and water system, marketing and promotions, slogan, advertisement, and outreach for customers, transportations, deliveries to market and customers, veterinary service, vaccination and health checks on chickens. This model will ensure sustainability while attending to the organic products market demand through local resource utilization and community relations. This model will support NARA's needs while offering a profitable venture in the long run.